compare things for better or for worse. So let's start doing that in English today. When we compare two things, we can see things that are the same, similarities, or things that are different, the differences. So how do we do this in English? To do this correctly in English, we need to use comparative adjectives. Let's think of the adjective big. Well, we can change this adjective to bigger. The adjective difficult. Now, the comparative adjective of difficult is difficulter. No. The comparative adjective of difficult is more difficult. That's not right. How do we know when to use more or just add the ER? Here are the rules you need to get started. Don't forget about the exceptions. At the end of this video, I will tell you the exceptions that do not follow these rules. There's only a few, don't worry. At the end of the video, check that out. One syllable adjectives like old, fast. One syllable adjectives, we add ER to the end of the adjective. Old goes to older. Fast, faster. If the one syllable adjective ends in an E, we simply just add an R to make it a comparative adjective. Late, later. Nice, nicer. Bonus tip: if the one syllable adjective is a consonant, vowel, consonant, then the last letter is doubled. You double it. So big goes to bigger, GG. Okay? Okay. All adjectives with 3 or more syllables, you always use the word more before the adjective. Confident, confident, 3 syllables. So confident becomes more confident. Intelligent, 4 syllables, intelligent. Then that becomes more intelligent. But wait, what about the 2 syllable adjectives? Okay, this gets a little bit tricky, but it's fine. Because 2 syllable adjectives ending in Y, we add ER. However, we take away the Y and we add IER. So we replace the Y with an I. For example, happy goes to happier. Dirty, dirtier. Great. Now, all the other 2 syllable adjectives that do not end in a Y, we use the word more. Active, active. Does it end in a Y? No. So it's more active. Stylish, stylish, 2 syllables. Does it end in a Y? No, it doesn't. So it's more stylish. So I hope these rules are gonna make you compare things perfectly. Now we have the rules, let's put it into action. Comparative adjectives can only be used when comparing 2 things. Not 3, not 30, not 100, 2. With these 2 things that we are comparing, we always have the comparative adjective in the middle, and after the comparative adjective, we use the word than. Let's look at some examples. Comparing myself with my cousin, I am taller than my cousin. Madrid and Albacete. Let's compare. Madrid is bigger than Albacete. A beach with a shopping centre. The beach is more peaceful than the shopping centre. But wait, what about the exceptions? I have you covered. There are exceptions. There are irregular forms. 3 words. There is no such thing as badder, fairer, gooder. No. Good becomes better. Bad becomes worse. Far becomes further. They are the 3 exceptions. We've got to drill this into our heads, okay? 3 exceptions that do not apply to the rules. Okay, guys, it's that time of the day where I want you to get your piece of paper, get a pen, get your English notebook, and I want you to compare 2 of your favourite movies. And maybe you can compare 2 of your favourite places to relax. Some feedback and some comments down below would be great, so I can see that this video is helping you develop your English. Want to compare more things? Then check out my video on superlatives. Practice makes perfect. See you all soon, everybody.